So we just had a hailstorm. It's still raining pretty good. I'm gonna go out there and look, but I don't know if you can see my netting over my tomatoes. It's sagging from the hailstones in there. I'll need to go get those out here in a few minutes when it quit. So all the flowers I put in yesterday and today got the crap beat out of them. Wow. Okay, the rain has slacked off a little bit. I don't have my microphone on, but you can see, get a little closer look. Pepper's pretty torn up. Just hammered. Way banged, way banged. These were doing really good, and they just got chopped up. I don't know if they'll make it or not, or if they'll make anything. That's too bad, man. That's too bad. Here's the flowers. Got banged, got banged. So the ones on the back are not too bad. I've got, and the ones under here are not too bad. They broke a little bit. Well, that's actually going to be all right. I think it kind of came in at an angle from kind of this direction from the west and then from the northwest here. So these guys are banged, hammered hard. More the rain. I think they'll be okay. They'll probably come back all right. The marigolds, they're pretty resilient. So underneath here, we're pretty much okay. I didn't get all that ice out. I did have, actually just got one limb broken on that, so, and the tip is hammered off of it. But I think that'll be, I don't even know if I'll even worry about it. I may cut that one off. These are not doing so well. I've only got one tomato. I got some other sets coming on, but only got one tomato. So these guys, they got banged up, but I think they'll be all right too. The rose, it's going to be all right. These tomatoes, though, not in a good spot. And I don't think they're going to recover. So probably end up pulling those out and putting something else in there. I can show you though the size. Get a handful here. So they're marble and big marble sized hailstones that were coming down. So, and then the squash it's squashed, so that'll probably be coming out. It's still early enough. I don't know, I could probably start some more. I was just really looking forward because these were doing so well. So even the little one over here took a beating. I'm surprised that these got beat so hard. So it must have been on the back part of it, because on the back part of it, when it got over the house and was on the east side, it was going backwards, and that's what hammered these, because they're covered. They had that cover, so I thought they would be fine. We had a lot of water running through here. None up on, in the house itself, I don't think. and we'll have to get the roof inspected. See if we got any damage up there. So anyway, that's the garden. Hey guys, so it's the day after the storm, and just out looking through the garden, seeing what I got going on. We lost some plants. We're going to lose some plants. We're going to have some that are going to pull through. It's all part of the deal, right? So those are just plants. Our community here, we lost a little girl yesterday to the floodwaters. She got a little too close to the ditch and got into it, and it swept her away. So all your thoughts and prayers, you know, if you got a few extra, throw those out for her family in their time of grief. You know, be a loss to the community and the people that are really close to her and her family. So anyway, keep that in mind for me if you would. I appreciate y'all watching. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you would. Comment and share. And come watch another one sometime. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. See ya.